Tired of monthly email marketing bills eating your profits? Worried about your customer data on someone else's servers? What if you could own your email marketing software outright? No subscriptions, total privacy, complete control. Introducing LeoMail, the desktop bulk email sender that puts you in charge. Send personalized campaigns, manage your contacts securely, and save money forever. Stop renting. Start owning. Discover LeoMail now. Simple dashboard to track your performance. Send mail tab from where you can send emails imply by adjusting time delay, adding attachments, SMTP rotation, and also using HTML to make your email look more professional and beautiful. Here is the Contacts tab where you can import your contacts with variables in the app to send emails. You can import contacts in CSV, TXT and xlsx files. Easily write your variables in first line separated with commas and then. Similarly, mapping those variables example files are attached in description. As you can see that first I removed my previous contacts and then imported new ones from my xlsx file, and the variables are automatically mapped in the app. After successful importing, click Save Changes to make sure that the contacts are saved. Now here is the SMTP Settings app from where you can manage your SMTP servers. When you will be adding a server, you will require your SMTP host, port, username and password. Fill those carefully. Also, the upper two fields are also important. From name means that which name you want to show when you send email, and from email means that which email you want to show when you send email. Fill those details carefully and save your SMTP server. You can add up to 10 SMTP servers at a time. You can contact us if you want to increase limit. Now here is the Backup Restore tab from where you can easily backup and import your data anytime you want. Let's test our app now. I am writing the test email to check the working of our app. First I will add subject and then the body of the email. Most important thing is that if you want to use variables, then you must enter the exact spellings of the variable you want to use, even the capitalization of the letters. Now if you want to enable SMTP rotation, then mark the check, and similarly use HTML. SMTP rotation means that first email will be sent from first server, second from second server, and similarly rotating servers to avoid mail landing in spam. Also, you can manage the delay between one by one email to avoid your email to land in spam. Furthermore, you can easily preview your HTML also. Let's check our mails, that whether we received mails in our inbox or not. So let's open our mails. So here is our first mailbox, and we have successfully received our mails in our inbox. You can check that the name and email of sender is same as we entered our from name and from email, and also you can check that the variables are also applied successfully. And here is our second mailbox, and we have successfully received our mails in our inbox. You can check that the name and email of sender is again same as we entered our from name and from email. And also you can check that the variables are also applied successfully, hence we can say that our app is working. Now if you want this app, you can contact us. Our contact details are in description. You can try this app also for free. Hopefully you like our tool. Thanks for watching.